Welcome back to Satisfactory, and today is limestone day. I gotta bring in some limestone. So I set up on these constructors here, I set up all the belts. I didn't set up the belts for the assemblers and manufacturers yet, so one step at a time. I've got the outputs here. These can all be combined onto one belt because the output is around 500 something on this entire level. So we're combining them on Mark V belts. Moving on down that way. And actually, the way I set it up, excuse me, I've got all the cement output, or concrete, coming up here, and we got a splitter here. And half of it, or some of it is gonna... Actually, I should put a smart splitter. Well, it doesn't really matter. The quantities will work themselves out. But anyway, some of it is coming down here to feed the manufacturers. Why are these all smart splitters? Oh god. Oh god, I set them all up to be smart splitters. Oh no. Well, I gotta redo all my assemblers. Anyway. We got part of the belt feeding the assemblers over here. And let's look at the inputs here. So on each level, we're going to need 3 limestone belts. One belt feeding one row here. And then the next row off in the distance, fed by another belt. And then the center belt is feeding both, being split between both. You can see I got a splitter here. And we got it feeding the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each row. Feeding limestone. Because each segment here is going to take 800? 800 something? Let's see, 45 times 18. Yeah, 810. So a bit more than one belt, so I gotta split it this way. And then this row, I didn't set up the belts yet, but I'll do that later. But first, I want to get some limestone here. So I've got all 6 inputs for limestone down here, and I'm gonna need around 600 input for each belt. That'll be fine. It's actually 540. Thought it was more than that. But anyway, about 600. I've got plenty of limestone nodes. Only one pure. But that's okay. I think I'll use these 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 4 pretty close, and then 5 and 6 a bit of a distance away, but nothing a long conveyor belt can't handle. So let's just work on that today. Let's get some limestone in here and then see how it runs. I never noticed this. These have... Oh, it's a blender, right. Okay. It's not running, so when it's running, you can see the blending process. Well, I gotta get it to run. Oh, neato. I never noticed that. I never really looked at these from above. Look at that, sloshing around. Good thing it's covered. I'd hate to fall inside. Alright. We're gonna make some Mark III miners. There you are. Oh boy. Can I put a miner there? Nope. Can I move you? What are you making? Heavy modular frames. Oh man, I need heavy modular frames to make heavy modular frames. And what else did I need? I was missing something else. Oh, plastic. Alright, I gotta move this thing. Oh, you know what? I'll just kill it. I can move it off camera. This is not interesting. It's dead. That was the wrong one. That's fine. Let's... Okay, we fell down. And we still can't... Is the splitter messing things up? Okay. I think I have to get rid of the containers. Is it time for me to disassemble all of this? God. If I get rid of all this, there's no way I'm gonna spend all this time figuring out what's what and build it again. Crap. I tried to avoid building on top of these nodes, but I guess I got too close. Alright. What's in here? Crystal oscillators? Oh, I've got no inventory space. Can I just disassemble it? And then deal with the crates? Maybe I'll do that. Okay. How we doing? What are you getting stuck on? It's not the pole, the conveyor belts. Oh, I know what it is. The belt stands here. It doesn't like those. Okay. What are you getting stuck on? There. It's still complaining. No, that can't be in the way. There. What's going on? Gotta be a hidden pole somewhere. There. Is it... do the crates get in the way? Let's see. No, the crates don't get in the way. What is going on? Okay, I can't place an assembler there either. Invalid placement. Oh, there's... damn it. This damn thing. Alright, well. Now I made a mess unnecessarily. Now we gotta fix all this crap I broke. Or just disassemble everything and leave it. At this point, I could probably do that. I don't need any of this stuff. Okay, I want... Is this the pure? Yeah, that's the pure node. Let's say 600. Now, for this, I'm gonna need 3 power shards. Yeah, if you think I'm gonna cut that out, that part, with me finagling with the miner. Nope. I'm leaving it in. You have to suffer with me. Oh right, I've got peaceful mode on. Alright, 3 here, and then the other 3 here. Let's hook up. Yeah, let's get a belt. Let's just get it there. I can work on making it look good later. The belt, anyway. Ooh, yeah, this thing looks... That is a big footprint. I gotta go... over there. Jeez. So big. Alright, I'm gonna put this one here. Nope, not there. Right there. And the other 2 are gonna go there and there. There's really no need to merge them together to ensure an even distribution or something. That's not going to be necessary. Oh god, such a mess. I think my next big project will be just getting rid of all of this and then making just a few assemblers to make basic things that I'm gonna need to pick up, like rotors, you know, reinforced iron frames. I don't need a lot, just a little bit, the basic materials. I might do that. I'm gonna do as much as I can here, so I don't have to train in like rotors and things. I want you. And I'll make these belts come in a bit cleaner later, after I get rid of everything else. Right now there's not really much point. Wow, I didn't think these nodes would be inside the factory. At least 2 of them are, maybe 3. No. just want to see it work. Alright, where are these going? Are these going on the bottom level? Oh, it's like a mixture. Okay. 2 of them are going on the top. Ah, radiation. There's like some uranium down there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's grab this one over here. Did I use up all my miners? I did. We got red lights. What did I delete? That's green. Green. My biomass, not that I need them, but they're not hooked up anymore. Oh, did they use up their fuel? Uh-oh. The consumption must have, picked up quite a bit, maybe during aluminum production while everything is running. Everything was running. Right now I deleted the I don't know if I showed it off, but I deleted or deconstructed the aluminum sinks. I stopped sinking it. I was just doing that for testing. And I was getting a lot of, you know, sink points from it. But, oh, that hitching. But I don't need to be sinking it anymore. It's going to kill my power. I got to redo my power before I turn everything on. Okay, now, I don't think I can, but can I upgrade this to a tier 3? Oh my god, I can. Go. 600 parts per minute. Do it. Now we do have a splitter here. Let's just borrow this for now, and, let's not borrow that. Where's all of this going? Alright, get rid of that. Let's turn this into a smart splitter. Can I upgrade it? Oh, I can't. Smart splitter. I want the left output. Any. Center. Overflow. Right side. Overflow. So we're just going to borrow this for our factory up here. God, I'm just... Every time I look up, I'm just shocked. point of all this is just to make sure, there we go, that this is going to function properly. There we go. And actually, now that we just got I've just got the upper floor, the second floor up here hooked up. I just want to see it running as soon as possible, so let's hook up this one, and this one. Okay. And I'll hook up the others off camera. I just want to see... I just want to see it work. I want this one, and this one. So let's bring you right there. There we go. Yeah, that should be okay. Where? Oh god. Alright. Let's put on the backpack, the jetpack. Alright, I gotta get power over there. Go, produce, create. Got this limestone in my inventory. Go away. I don't want you. Alright, where's these other two? I need a power pole. There we go. Okay, everything is hooked up. Let's go up. There's not really anything I can do about that hitching, unfortunately. I've got the settings turned down, and I don't know if it helped, but I'll keep it like this for now. As long as I'm working in this area, I'll keep the graphics settings turned way down. Okay, we're getting limestone. It looks like it's working. let's make an awesome sink. We're gonna sink concrete. There we go. And I want to do that just to see, just to make sure we get fully green lights here. I want to make sure everything can be fed properly. There's a bunch of yellows down there, but we might have to wait a minute to see if limestone makes it that far. And I think it will. There's no reason why it shouldn't, I think. Now, as far as this situation goes, I'm using smart splitters. Oh god. Okay. I suppose I could configure them and... It's just, if I put them all to any... Well, there is no right output. None. If I put them both to any, then I assume it just works like a standard splitter. Any undefined. Any undefined. That must be... Like, if I select something in one of these other outputs, AI limiter, for example, then any undefined would be anything except AI limiter. Okay. Any. Any. There we go. Concrete is not happening there. Why? Oh, okay. Now it is, okay. Oh, right, I'm using Mark 1 belts for the input here. That's fine. Okay. And I'll have to do the same thing for the smart splitters on the bottom here. It's not the first time I've done this, accidentally used smart splitters where I needed regular splitters. Don't know why I keep doing that. Wonder if I did that on the manufacturers. Okay, we're using up all of this concrete. How is this looking? We've got a few yellow lights. That's interesting. Oh yeah, these are gonna fill up first, up to 100 before product is not fed there anymore. So we might have to wait a little longer for the yellow lights to turn green. It's gonna take a couple minutes, I think. And obviously I'm not going to be sinking this concrete very long. I just want to see all these lights turn green, make sure it's working and everything. Alright, but while I'm waiting for that, copy, I can go ahead to the next level. Actually, I'll end it here. It's already about 35 minutes into the episode. And off camera, I'll work on this level down here. And I'll do most of that off camera, I think. But yeah, this is the setup. This is what it's gonna look like. I've got all the conveyor belts running across the ceiling, so it's not obstructing the walk space here. We got plenty of room. And let me just keep this running for about 10 minutes, just so we can see the green lights. And I'll pause it, and then once everything's green, I'll come back and show it off real quick before we end. Alright, it took about 3 or 4 minutes, not very long, but we've got green lights across the board, and all of the output, well, that one blinked yellow for a moment. And we got all of the output being consumed, which means we're getting enough product and everything seems to be hooked up. Yeah, once in a while these will still blink yellow very briefly, but after a couple more minutes it'll work itself out. But yep, working good. Alright, I'm gonna do the next level downstairs, get the concrete done down there, and then we'll work on getting pipes to the manufacturers. Pipes. Finally. We'll be able to use all those pipes we're training in. Actually, I'm going to set up a new train station over here for pipes. We're going to get rid of those. But that's for next time. Alright, thank you for watching.